When you are at sea, you are just working on the directions given to you by the compass. And here today also in shipping, we are clueless where the journey is going to take us. We see a lot of consolidation taking place since last 10 years. And we also, being a part of this world, cannot be wary of this particular action which is happening. So we also have thought about consolidating our services across the globe with our 6 offices across the globe, providing every service related to shipping and EXIM, giving a last mile connectivity, promoting ourselves in digitalization, trying to change ourselves in whichever way and wherever possible in order to give the best of the experience to our customers. There was a lot of brainstorming behind in our group what should be the name of the group, and finally we decided on the word Saksham. Saksham talks about being able, capable, adaptable, and finally sustainable. Today the entire world talks about sustainability, and that is the philosophy behind Saksham, bringing every gamut of services together under one roof, each one holding hands and complementing and supplementing each other in order to sustain this ever fast changing world and turbulent world. Today Sharp Logistics talks about the onshore logistics, taking care of transportation, custom clearance, warehousing, and expanding in its own might. We talk about container trading and agency business in Sharp Logistics, which is another dimension which talks about providing services to a lot of companies who are coming and thinking of setting up shop in India as far as shipping and logistics is concerned.
The idea has always been to become more of a solution provider than a service provider. So we have been nurturing, or we have been putting enough efforts to educate our vendors, at the same time provide the best solution to our customers, because we believe if the customer grows, we also grow. And overall, as a company, we always believe in being local but thinking global.
If you are talking about specifically about Sarjak Container Line, which is our flagship company for our group, where we have IT processes and develop the system in a such a way which help us to serve our customers on timely basis. In terms of equipments and the facility which we can provide to our customers is special equipment like flat racks, open top containers, we have a high cube hard top containers, we have a super rack containers which can carry up to 44 ton cargo weight, we have a heavy duty flat rack which can carry up to 48 ton.
Bolt, the chemical container transportation business, with 1,000 tanks today and with a plan to have 5,000 over a period of time, we are talking about creating a niche in chemical transportation across the globe. We work on our own systems manufactured by us, and today we are ready to roll out our own product in the market of IT with regards to NVOCs.
We are upgrading our ERP with the blockchain, with the machine learning, artificial intelligence, and many other new technology to make sure that we always remain ahead than our competitors.
It's the passion which has driven me all the while, and it's the passion which is going to drive me further up. We are venturing into each and every dimension of shipping and going beyond dimension. And that is where I want to see my company tomorrow, a small giant and a leader of tomorrow.